Hi! In this section, we will look at the performance management section in Project Track. My name is America Seves, and I will help guide you through this process in this presentation. On this screenshot, we can see that the top navigation buttons and page tabs on each project page within Project Track. The performance management section is included on the TIP programming tab on the far left. The Performance Management section of Project Track is instrumental in documenting how the Regional Transportation Improvement Program, or RTIP, complies with the federal performance management requirements. Caltrans and SANDAG have adopted performance targets in several areas, including transportation safety and infrastructure conditions. This section of Project Track is how the region is working towards achieving those targets. The PM1 component of performance management is focused on transportation safety projects and safety elements of broader transportation projects. For most new projects, default setting for the safety project field is blank. This is asking if the project is safety related or if it has significant components that are safety focused. If the answer is no, please select that from the drop-down menu and move on to the next section for PM2. If the answer is yes, in addition, data entry field appears as %$ safety. This is asking for the project sponsor to estimate the percentage of the total project cost that is related to safety. This is simply an estimate and will be used in summary statistics in reporting required by the Federal Highway Administration. If your project is classified as exempt under the Project Information section and the selected exemption is one of the safety categories, the PM1 Performance Management section will automatically reflect that it is a safety project with 100% as the percent of total project costs related to safety. The percentage can be updated if needed. Here are some examples of safety-exempt projects, such as railroad highway crossings, safer non-federal aid system roads, increasing sight distance, traffic control devices and operating assistance other than signalization projects. The list goes on. As you can see, there are different examples for projects. The full list is available in the Project Information section of the TIP Programming tab in Project Track. The PM2 component of performance management is focused on pavement and bridge projects on the National Highway System, or NHS. The NHS is a small subset of regional transportation system and generally consists of highways and selected primary arterials. The RTIP webpage on sandag.org has a map and listing of NHS facilities. The RTIP webpage link is also included in this slide. The first question on this section asks if the project is on the NHS. If the answer is no, select no from the drop-down menu and proceed to the next section on Project Track. If the project is on the NHS, select yes from the drop-down menu and a new set of data entry field appear asking if the project has either pavement or bridge components. If the project does not have either pavement or bridge components, select no from the drop-down menu and proceed to the next section in Project Track. If the project includes pavement on the NHS, then select yes from the drop-down menu. Two additional data fields will appear: lane miles on the NHS and % $NHS pavement. For the lane miles on the NHS, enter the estimated NHS pavement treatment distance in miles, multiplied by the number of lanes on the treated segment. Treatments include reconstruction, mill and overlay, microseals, and other treatments that improve the quality of the pavement or extend the life of the existing conditions. The % pavement section is an estimate of the total project cost that is related to payment on the NHS. Returning to the bridge section, if the project includes bridge work on the NHS, then select yes from the drop-down menu. Bridge projects or components of this section are anything that help improve the condition of the bridge or help maintain the bridge in its current condition. This includes work on the deck, superstructure, or substructure. Three additional data fields will appear: deck area SF or square feet, bridge number, and % bridge. The deck area square feet and the bridge number are listed on Caltrans Bridge Database and on the National Bridge Inventory. The % bridge section is an estimate of the total project cost that is related to bridges on the NHS. This information is used to demonstrate to the Federal Highway Administration that the RTIP is designed in such a way that it supports the achievement of adopted performance targets. The targets are listed in each regional plan. Each RTIP includes statistics about the program support of the targets. Here's an example from the 2021 RTIP and its support of safety targets. Here is another example from the 2021 RTIP on how this information is captured to demonstrate the NHS bridge and pavement investments.